A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome back you again to my YouTube video where I will explain about the reforms that we need to put inside the farming sector. Ladies and gentlemen, our farming needs to be technically sophisticated and institutionally innovative so that it will grow and it will reduce the burden of unemployment in the rural and urban sector as well. From 1997 to 2002, when the government has provided freebies to the farming sector on irrigation cost, it has completely freed the irrigation by tube wells. There was a sharp decline on irrigation by canal water by 45%, and that led to the depletion of groundwater. Currently, there is a huge crisis of depletion of groundwater, as recently Punjab government has provided incentive of 17,000 per hectare to the farmers so that they can shift to crop diversification. They can shift from paddy crops to less water guzzling crops. There is a need of that, honestly, but there is a need of technical innovation in our farming sector. From 1999 to 2009, farming grew by 9.6%, and the reason behind the rainwater harvesting. So we need to bring such more projects of rainwater harvesting, of constructing more dams, constructing ponds in the farming, in the villages area, so that farmers use pond water into their irrigation rather than using the groundwater. Another issue is that the land degradation. If we consider the land degradation, the land degradation is now at 37%, which is alarming for all of us. And the reason behind such a huge land degradation is the bad practices of farmers of providing contaminated fertilizers to the soil, which is increasing acidity of the soil. We need also focusing on the group farmings. As per the data, 86% of farmers are only having 2 hectares or less than 2 hectares of land. And this group farming in the states like Bihar and West Bengal have increased the wages of farmer by 1.6 or 1.9 times. So in the future, when we are looking for the development, when we are looking for India as a developed country by 2047, this farming will play a crucial role in the development, in providing providing employment to the rural youth, so that they will provide the development of our agriculture, development of our village, because the village economy is interdependent. A large population of village, maximum population of village, the laborers are dependent on the agriculture, but agriculture is not providing them a proper wages. That's why they are shifting from the rural to the urban areas for the purpose of job, but they are not getting it. Another thing that we need to introduce into our farming sector is the drip irrigation. In 13 states of India, the drip irrigation has increased the yields of vegetable and fruits by 48 to 52%. So this drip irrigation needs to be innovative. It needs to be installed at every point, at every farms of our India, so that we will get developed. We will get a huge production of our farming crops, and our farmers will also get relief. Such crop diversification that we are talking about will also need MSP for farmers. If the farmers will get a market, if the farmers will get a proper market for their yielded crops, they will definitely diverse their crops to less water guzzling crops. But the problem is that they have a market risk. They do not have any market. They do not have any proper MSP for their products. That's why they are developing those crops in which they are having more benefit. But their more benefit is providing a burden of food security in India as well, because we are also having a crisis of a food inflation in India. So such challenges we need to tackle up with the help of innovation, with the help of technology. Thank you.